Who has seen images like this before? Graphs, diagrams, steps, stages, pathways. What these things are called in the fancy term is an IP framework, an intellectual property framework. All this means is the way I teach this thing, or the way I do this thing. So for years, I was known as the course creation lady. I had Sarah's 10 steps to creating a course. I had one webinar, one workshop, one coaching program, and one keynote. They were all called the 10 steps to creating a profitable online course. I had come up with these 10 steps myself, and I made a pretty picture to depict the 10 steps of Sarah's way of creating a course. Now, I also have lots of workshops. In the Legends Lab, I run one mastermind every single month. What did we do last week? Memberships. How to make a membership, including the tech. I've got my 7 steps for creating a membership. It's the 7 steps that I've come up with to make a membership. And I taught that, and I made a pretty picture for it. I also have next month's workshop is called How to Not Be a Shit Presenter. So it's literally the title. So I'm going to have a little step-by-step framework of each thing you must do in what order to not be a shit presenter. So this is where you can actually become very creative with these IP frameworks. These massively change your conversion rates in your marketing. They change the conversion rates on your sales pages, and they make you look pretty hot when it comes to presenting your thing to the marketplace. A true story, my Legends Lab used to be called the Edupreneur Academy. It's over a decade old, and I created, I think the first time I did it was about 2018, I created a map, an actual infographic visual map to show people what they would learn. And my conversion rates increased by 300% just by turning it into a picture, because people could see the journey. And I literally created a map whereby it was like a guy walking down the mountains and going past a river and finding treasure at the end. And basically all I had on it was January, February, March, April, May, because my map was more the months of the year and what training you would learn. But you can now basically go to ChatGPT, and guess what? I've got a prompt for that, where you can say, based on either this one course, this one workshop can have its own IP framework. But also, bigger picture, your brand could have an IP framework. Your personal, who is she? Who am I? What do I teach? If I was going to take someone through what I do on a massive overarching perspective, all the things I can help people with, what would that journey, step-by-step system, framework, methodology look like? So you can see here, I have one for my overall brand, but I also have one for every single mini workshop and webinar I teach too. Anyone here an author? Yep. Anyone plan to be? All of you should put your hands up. Love it. This is where, again, your book might have its own framework. Each chapter might be a step to achieving a certain result. So there is actually a way that you can do this. This is where you can, if you're really quick, you can do it right now, but we are going to move on. I'm not going to actually sit and give you time to do this, but this is a prompt. Basically, you're going to say, in the same thread, I do recommend you keep everything in the same thread today. I want you to basically say, look, I want to create a visual IP framework to illustrate the stages of my expertise. It might not know enough about you yet, okay? So don't take this literally. I want to show you what's possible with ChatGPT or Gemini. This is the prompt that you would put into it, and obviously I've not made a Google link for you to copy and paste this, which is why we're not going to do this today. I just want to give you an indicator of how you can now expand this brand with this visual system. And when you, for instance, speak on podcasts or on stages and you put your diagram up on the screen, it really does increase the credibility and the validity of what you're teaching. So that is something that you can put into ChatGPT. And FYI, ChatGPT now, especially on the pay plans, is you can literally say, now create the actual visual image to go with this. And it will pump out something for you like this, which is really cool. And you can say, nah, change it to a circle. Nah, change it to an infinity loop. Nah, change it to a step pathway. Nah, change it to an infographic of a guy walking through Dungeons and Dragons. And it will create an infographic for you. So I know that a lot of you may not be ready for this yet, but I want you to remember for your marketing, if you do have a coaching program or a service, right, ask yourself on the sales page, could I put an infographic or a visual diagram that shows how this service works. All right, so Kim at the back, she helps businesses get government money. She does all of my grants for me. By the way, it has obtained us over $700,000 worth of grant funding for Tekmatix. Thank you, Kim. So Kim's sales page, for instance, I don't know if it does. Sorry, Kim, I've been a customer for so long, I haven't looked at your sales page. But it might have a bunch of steps. What happens when you buy the grant funding service? Step 1, we do an exploratory session, strategy session. Step 2, you're going to fill in your onboarding form. Step 3, we then do this with the information that's come from that. Step 4, we draft the grant. Step 5, we submit the grant. Step 6, you get the point, right? So a visual diagram of this can massively increase your conversions over just having it in text form. Don't know why, it's the way the brain works. So I want you to always think about, how can I go back to this prompt from the marketing bootcamp and just ask the system, how could I visualize my steps, my stages, my methodology, my experience that my people are going to have? Whether it's a product, whether it's a service, whether it's a teaching, whether it's whatever. Interesting? Who's going to try this in the future? Woohoo! By the way, you used to have to pay graphic designers a fortune for this. ChatGPT can do it for you now. Yay!